Hey YouTube, Steven the Salon Guy here, and G-Eazy is now platinum blonde. So in this video, I'm going to be doing one of my breakdown videos of some of his past haircuts, and let's talk about his new blonde hair. All right guys, so here we have the classic G-Eazy haircut, with probably like, I'd say number one on the very, very bottom, low taper and faded up into the top. Here is a side angle. Again, it's probably faded up to like, I don't know, to where it's about 2 inches. And then it's the hard part where it's about, I'd say, 6 inches on top. In this video, as you can see here, he has his hair really, really long on top, where it's probably about 7 or 8 inches on top. Most of his hairstyles are all slicked back using a pomade. Now here is his more recent one before he went blonde. This is with Halsey. This is back in June, as you can see. Now, check this out. Here is where he goes from this haircut to this. It's the same haircut. He just went platinum blonde. I mean, basically what you do is you have to bleach the hair. It's a big, big process. You have to then tone it so it's not super yellow. But, I would say it's probably like, a half an inch on the sides and just blend it up by hand. Blonde hair tends to show a lot more kind of chopped up haircuts. So if there's parts that aren't really blended too well, it's gonna show it. But again, probably here it's about an inch blended up to where the top probably is about, 3 inches on top. I've done tutorials similar to this. You can style with a paste, a pomade, but this is his new look. I cannot believe, he went blonde. But let me know what you guys think. This is something very, very easy to style. It's a little bit more of a kind of wake and wear, put some paste in it. I've got plenty of products that you can use for something like this. But let me know what you guys think. Do you like him with his more kind of traditional slick back haircut? Do you like his new look? Me personally, I'm not really, it looks okay in him, but to me, it's not him. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.